In this video, you'll learn how to send Solana from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your SOL tokens, allowing you to manage them within your Phantom wallet interface. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application. Once it is open, locate the Receive button, which is typically found under the purple navigation bar at the top of the screen. Click on this Receive button to proceed. After clicking Receive, you will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. From the list of available options, select Solana, which is often abbreviated as Solana, which is often abbreviated as a Solar Ones. Next, you will see your Solana address displayed on the screen. To copy this address, click on the copy button that appears next to it. This address is essential as it is the destination to which you will send your Solana from Coinbase. Now, open your Coinbase account. Once you are on the main screen, navigate to the Assets section. Here, you will see a list of all cryptocurrencies held in your account. Locate and click on Solana or Solana to access its details. In the Solana section, you will find a Send button. Click on this button to initiate the transfer process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the details of your transfer. In the Send window, you will need to paste the Phantom address you previously copied. Ensure that the address is correct, as any mistakes could result in a loss of funds. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to send next, making sure it aligns with your intended transfer. Before confirming the transfer, double check that the network is set to Solana. This step is crucial, as sending to the wrong network can lead to complications. Once you confirm that everything is accurate, click the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. After you have confirmed the send, the transfers are typically very fast, often completed within seconds. You may experience a brief loading indication during this process. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation message in Coinbase. To verify that your SOL has arrived, return to your Phantom wallet, navigate to the token section and select Solana. Here, you should see your updated SOL balance reflecting the transfer. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.